In 2020, the ICN began exploring the issues related to competition enforcement and advocacy, pertaining to the intersection between competition, consumer protection, and data privacy law and policy. The expansion and updating of privacy laws and consumers' laws, the changes in information technology and in the practices of digital platforms of how personal and non-personal data is collected, transmitted, and used for commercial purposes, have raised a host of interconnected legal and policy issues that involve the relationship between competition and consumer privacy regimes. The scope of this project is therefore to increase the understanding of ICN members of how their fellow agencies identify and consider the issues which lie at the intersection from the perspective of competition law and through the collection of pertinent economic legal literature, the gathering of ICN members' experiences in the context of enforcement, market studies, policy making, and the discussion of these issues in network-wide webinars and conference sessions. Competitive markets generally help achieve the goals of consumer and privacy policy, and enforcing consumer and privacy law may help make markets more competitive, in particular by enabling consumers to make well-informed decisions about their choices. But this may not always be the case. In some instances, intense competition could encourage a race to the bottom on consumer protection and privacy standards, or that consumer privacy enforcement will not be pro-competitive. For instance, data protection standards in complex ecosystems may be implemented in ways that favor large incumbents. To know more about this project and its output, please contact the competition agencies of Australia, Canada, and Italy.